Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open your browser, which you normally use. And then you have to tap here, go to the history, and select clear browsing data. Then you have to select time period, what you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, and last month, or all time. Then you have to select data formats. It could be browsing history, cookie and site data, and cache images and files. And tap clear data. And history is clear now, as you can see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.